We're doing justice by breaking these in every episode.
Shout out Sonic, man down. All right, guys, we are here today with
Gabe Cruz.
Gabriel Horacio Iglesias Cruz.
Let's go.
And we have a very special box. I think you should do the honors.
Please. At this point, I would be surprised if you could surprise me.
I would also be surprised if I could surprise you, but I like that challenge. Next time, I'm gonna have a very special surprise.
I want you to go deep into the bag. I want you to go on like Facebook Marketplace or like Etsy or something. I need you to bring shock to my system here.
Okay.
Oh!
What in the world? This is a first time ever. A box inside of a box. Makes one wonder, why did they do that? Why not just ship this box?
All right, immediate notice is that unless this skateboard is filled to the brim in this box, it's gonna be smaller than a regular board.
Hold on a sec. Look at this. What did that say?
Sakar International Incorporated.
Hold on, just hold that thought.
Oh, hey! Oh, no! Shut up. Oh.
You stop that right now.
Killing me.
Sakar International Inc.
No. We're going down a rabbit hole I didn't want to go down today.
I'm gonna have to do some research and find out who is behind Sakar International Inc. You're gonna need to use a real, wow. Gabe is like the MacGyver of skateboard box openings. You know what MacGyver is?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course.
Whew, thank God.
I never watched it, but just from my experience with watching Mythbusters and them busting the, oh God, Aaron. First Minecraft, now this.
That's why I got this.
No.
I was like, Minecraft was ill.
Oh, no.
Minecraft was legit. So you know there's only one thing better than Minecraft.
Oh my God, I'm not gonna lie to you, I love the Sonic movies.
And that's Sonic
they
the
are my
Hedgehog.
Guilty pleasure. My lady wouldn't let me watch it in the theaters, so what did I do? I bought it at home, damn it. And I watched the heck out of that.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
And my buddy was over, and my lady was there, and they both fell asleep halfway through the movie, and I stayed up the whole movie watching that.
Hell yeah.
Shout out Sonic, I love those movies.
Shout out Sonic. But this does look like the world's most disgusting skateboard. I gotta get on Amazon real fast and see what these
I'm guessing this was about $22.45.
yeah, something like that.
What I don't understand is how this singular brand of skateboard makes the Tony Hawk board, which to my standards is still pretty low, but way better than this. How?
They're just pumping out skateboards left, right, and
they
center.
really
you know
are.
What I mean? So Sonic the Hedgehog character skateboards, cruiser skateboard with ABEC 5 bearings.
$24.99. I was off $2.50.
1,800 reviews. It says, I don't know how legit this is, but it says 500 plus bought this in the past month. I'm just gonna tell you.
Why would Amazon lie?
In the skateboard industry right now, anyone selling 500 plus skateboards in the past month is
monopoly.
Monster. Is a skateboard industry monster. Sonic official product. It's all about speed. Well, I love how they say it's all about speed because I guarantee you this is
yeah, we'll see about that.
The non-slip durable grip tape for tricks and safer riding. Neon glossy finish. Well played.
And look
over
at,
here.
there's that same freaking sticker.
Sakar International Inc., made in China.
I love how they got the copyright Sega on here. Like, does that mean that they worked with Sega to get the licensing for this?
Well, what it says is official, Sonic official product.
You know what? Then given the movie coming out, Sonic 3 just dropping, I very much I buy it. 500 sold?
Yep.
Yeah, I buy it.
The concave is reverse. It's convex.
You know what else I'll notice though is that yes, the plastic is underneath the trucks here on this side, but on this side, look at that.
Wow, came right out.
We got some clean.
Beautiful. So initial reaction.
I mean, Sonic's great. I got nothing against Sonic. Wheels look like complete garbage.
Yes.
The trucks
look like complete garbage.
Look like complete garbage. There's a Sonic logo on the bushings.
Yeah.
So those are just garbage instead of complete garbage. The hardware looks just average.
Wow, hold up though. I've never seen this on Amazon. Look at, you have different graphics. You can do Sonic, you can do Shadow.
That's fire.
You can do Knuckles, or you can do the one that I got, Sonic and Friends.
Sonic and Friends. Look, well, you know what I will say is that this board is going to break. It is not going to last, and I'm going to break it and probably have a substantially difficult time skating this thing. But you know, we're gonna have some fun, and we're gonna rate it honestly. Yeah, that's all I really got.
Okay, give me a kickflip first try.
That's all I really got.
I got coffee on a kickflip first try.
I love that for myself. I don't love that for your wallet, but I love that for myself. Chloe, can I just have you listen to this board real quick?
Oh. This is 78% 5-star rating.
Listen to this.
Chloe, but in your own, what does that mean to you, Chloe?
I mean, it sounds hollow.
Okay.
What that means to me is that it sounds cheap
Yeah.
and not poppy.
Yep.
Good.
Good.
You're not wrong.
You know what? Don't give me that face.
See that guy, the white shirt guy in the background? That's what I feel like riding this board. You just need the bearings to wake up a bit, you know? For when fake it till you make it actually starts making it. That is brilliant. Come on, I want that coffee bad.
Oh! There was no way he landed, and then somehow he did land, and then somehow he didn't land.
It's taking everything in my power not to snap this thing in half right now. Everything in my power. God.
5 stars, verified purchase. Nice. Okay.
They're bots. It's AI.
It must be bots.
It's AI.
Good package. Haven't opened it yet, but it's good. Wow, that was a good kickflip.
Can I see some of the reviews? I want to filter by 1 star because those are the real ones.
Yeah, go to the 1 star. I think there's like one star.
Okay, Brenda, 1 star. The wood for the board is warped and not good. Graphics are good, grip is good. Unfortunately, our the board is warped and you can't ride it at all. Not all the wheels sit on the ground. My son will need a new one. Lizzo, 1 star. False description. It said weight limit 198. Once we received the skateboard, the tag on it said 110 limit weight.
Uh-oh.
Lycang said no good. ER said 1 star, garbage. Ordered a lot of things on Amazon through the years. I got a lot of garbage and I got a lot of good stuff. But those skateboard was for my 5-year-old grandson's birthday. I got it for him. It can split. I took the wheels off and threw it in the fireplace. I wasn't thinking otherwise. I would have sent it back, but I was so mad I sent the message and they said, oh well, we can't help you, too bad. So now I think I'll find somewhere else to buy stuff from. It isn't worth 5 cents.
Wow.
See, those are real reviews.
I like the bot reviews myself. 5 star. My nephew likes this.
I want to play skate on this.
My favorite one was, I didn't open it yet, but it's good. Okay, let's play.
Wow.
Sheesh.
Some things never change, Cairo. Some things never change.
So I saw Gabe just do the world's best kickflip.
Yep.
Like literally the best kickflip I've ever seen him
And
do.
with knowing how I skate, that means that if you land it, you're safe because I won't land it twice.
That's a good point.
Yeah.
So straight out of the gate kickflip?
If you can clutch up.
If I can clutch up, he said. Oh no!
Thank you. That was peak mental game right there.
This is the most disgusting board I've ever skated in my entire.
Look at where
I've
you
skated
flipped.
some garbage.
You didn't even flip the right way.
No,
You
I was
flipped
going
just straight
dolphin
up.
flip.
For everyone watching this video, wish you could be here enjoying this weather right now because it is gorgeous in the city.
1,400 reviews, 84% 5 star. 500 plus people bought this in the past month. How does that make you feel?
I really think that 1 through 3 stars are the only real trustworthy ratings and purchases.
Could be true.
I think 4 and 5. Maybe you might have a few 4s, but no one in their right mind is giving this a 5.
Wow. Wow. Yeah. Yep. That was beautiful. You even rolled away. Play it where it lies?
Yeah, that's solid. What is wrong with it?
Everything.
What is wrong with it,
Everything.
man? All right, nollie pop shove in front of you.
Yeah, I love nollie
You gotta
pop shove. Wait, I don't know what this man was thinking. Okay, it's my turn. I am convinced that boards like this and the Sakar International Incorporated are single-handedly taking down the skateboard industry.
I agree.
If 500 plus people started every month on a regular board and actually learned how to skate and actually progress properly, the skateboard industry would be growing.
This, Minecraft, the Barbie board, all those, same exact one.
Killing us.
Exactly the same.
And I'm gonna land
And
a
here-
kickflip. I have done hundreds of thousands of kickflips in my life. And let's see how this goes. No!
We're doing justice by breaking these in every episode. It's the only thing we got going for us right now.
And then I found out recently that what I can do is I can link this video to the product on Amazon. You realize that? Broski. Have we landed anything? Oh, pop shove
I
it.
landed a pop shove that I wouldn't even necessarily call. That Hawk had a pigeon. That is badass.
Shout out Tony Hawk.
That was awesome.
Eating the pigeons. Are pigeons real or are they fake government bots? Okay, this is it right here.
Holy mackerel. What I will say is that when you land a kickflip on this thing, it's pretty good.
Why is it so buttery when you get it?
Because there's only one way to land it, and it's perfectly or not at all.
Shout out Sonic.
I hate this thing.
Should we tighten the trucks?
Yeah, let me see them.
The built-in riser pads, but the trucks are so loose. Any even slightest bit to the side, and you got wheel bite and you're done for. It's over.
The older I get, the more I just try to embrace the positivity and joy of life.
And then this just...
And this board just tests my will.
Strips
It
right out of
really
you.
tests me, man.
I recently got a PlayStation 5 for Christmas, and I've been playing Final Fantasy VII Rebirth, and it's single-handedly ruining my entire life.
But there's a good ruin and a bad ruin.
There's a good ruin and a bad ruin. Shout out to my wife for not leaving me yet.
That was overdue.
Knock on wood.
You got the PS5, the PS6 is coming out in 3 months.
No, it's not.
I'm kidding. Nintendo Switch 2 coming out though.
Okay. Well, this one right here is dedicated to my best friend in the whole universe, Gabriel Horacio Iglesias Cruz.
Let's go. Keep him alive. Hey, that looked a little more controlled.
Yeah, I'm feeling better. I'm getting my Amazon board vibes rolling.
Well, now that he's feeling good about himself and he just called me his best friend in the entire universe, it's time to do a heel flip on him.
Uh-oh.
Please.
Please! Please! Just let me land it!
God!
I feel like it counted because he literally had enough time to almost do like a full
Bro!
sentence.
What
Please.
the hell?
Please!
Did you see that?
Please let me land it! Okay, but I'm not gonna lie. That was the most disgustingly good heel flip I've ever seen. It was literally like fully leveled, like 3 feet in the air, and then just stomped so hard that you couldn't land.
I kid you not, in however many years I've been skateboarding, I've never pleaded for a trick more than that right there.
I know.
That is ridiculous.
Please! Please!
I'm about to start crying.
No!
Imagine first try heel flip on that though. That would have been a story.
That would have been legendary.
Oh no!
In the arms of the angel.
Man down!
Is it bad?
Man down! It's a roll. It's a roll. That's okay. That's okay.
Is that on your broken foot?
Yeah. But it's not the broken foot. It's okay. It's the ankle. It's okay.
This board is a demon.
Get me that heel flip, Gabe. Walk it off. We're okay.
Yeah. You go. I got your revenge right now. Don't you worry.
You can do this. Oh, that hurts so bad. Rest ice compression elevation. Yes!
I think that might be as good as I could do. I put 150% effort into landing that. Oh man, that was tough to see.
Oh, actually, you know what I realized? It wasn't my broken foot. Broken foot is left foot. This is right foot. And it's the ankle, so it doesn't even matter.
It just sounds sad.
It's just that Sonic lifestyle, you know what I mean?
I can see why you tweaked your ankle though. It pushes you forward.
Yeah, I don't even know what happened. I think I landed too far on the front.
Yeah.
And then my foot sort of over-rotated that way.
You rolled on the concave a bit.
Yeah, because the concave is reverse. Wow!
That was good.
Son of a Gundam.
That was for you right there.
Thank you.
All right, the real revenge is landing the burial for you.
Yeah, please. Keep him alive.
Man, that sucks. I was really looking forward to beating you in this game, man.
Yes, sir. Like a fine wine. A good varial flip only gets better with age.
That was solid.
You know? It's just like Sonic the Hedgehog says. It's all about the speed. And I'm not talking about drugs, kids. No way.
What the
You try and tray flip?
Yeah, what?
Be careful, bro. It is not worth it.
Is this the one where the tray flip was impossible?
I think so.
Oh no.
Wow. First try. You know, we initially say this board's so bad, and then boom, double flip first try. How do you like me now?
Come on now.
Wow. Wow, Gabe. So this is better than the Minecraft board.
Yeah, for sure. Couldn't tell you why.
Or you're just better
That could be better.
since the Minecraft
Yeah, I
board.
could.
I don't know if I should sit. I think I should just walk this off.
I don't think you should let it get cold.
Gabe, that flip is exceptional. This girl is on fire. Yeah.
That hurt, dude. This board is dangerous.
I know. It's true. He just made a good point. The board
that hurt.
is quite factually dangerous.
Dude, I wore the FP socks every time we filmed so far. Never got shinned. Don't wear them today. Every video.
You should have worn them.
Deep breath, focus on accomplishment. Roll, pop, flip, turn, land, roll away. Probably gonna be weird because this board sucks going switch. Then I celebrate, and then we're happy.
Yeah.
I missed a few steps. Okay, I'm gonna land it so good right now, dude. I think it's getting worse.
The board?
Yeah.
You might need to go this way.
I'll try one more time this way.
Yeah.
I'll wash my hands after that one.
I love how skaters are always in the streets and then we're like actually germaphobes.
Might just be me, okay.
No, it's me too.
What I will say, they're not breaking like the metal ones.
Also, the board is not broken yet. That Tony Hawk board was done for. Shout out Sonic the Hedgehog. It's all about the speed. Wow. Gabe, it looks so good.
I take back everything I said. This is exactly the same as the Minecraft one.
I know.
I'm pretty sure I said the exact same thing.
Dang, that was
What
good
the
though.
hell?
It flips like extra steezy.
What is going on? I'm working my tails off here.
Got him.
It is the Miley Cyrus song. I will buy myself flowers. Yeah, right here from Miley Cyrus. Fudge, I'm sorry, Miley.
Just a little bit more turn of the shoulders.
Yeah. I mean, at least, like, if I was doing like a little mini rocket backside flip, I'd feel bad, but this is fire.
Right here, Starbucks. Any drink you want.
Oh, sugar-free. I can feel it entering my system.
Dang, bro.
Dang it.
Okay. Okay, why aren't you laughing? It's so funny.
You know what I will say though, is that the Minecraft board is way better than this.
Yeah, gotta
And
be.
I think they're exactly the same, but just based on this break,
And because let's face it, it's Minecraft.
that's true. I gotta put Minecraft higher on my hierarchy than Sonic all day. With all due respect to Sonic. If we're gonna go break down everything though, bearings, 1 out of 10, really bad. Hardware, I mean, it's just whatever, 5 out of 10 average hardware. It's hard to rate hardware.
Yeah.
Grip tape, honestly, is not bad. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. I don't like a lot of grip on mine. If I do get like a grippier brand, I usually sand it down a bit. So that to me is pretty good. I'm gonna give it like a 7.5. Wheels, 3 out of 10, not terrible, but not great. If they had better bearings, they'd be okay. Wood quality, I mean, as you can just see, you know, after a backside flip, trying it like 20 tries, it's done. So I'm gonna give that a 1 out of 10.
And I'm giving this skateboard a 0 out of 10. RIP.
That sucks.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed the video. We hope you had fun watching it. And if you, yes, you are wanting to learn how to ride a skateboard, go to brailleskateboarding.com and get yourself a proper skateboard. Let's go.